Welcome, everyone, to our video on the safe usage and dosage of paracetamol, your trusted companion in managing pain and fever. Today, we'll embark on a journey to understand how to use this common medication responsibly, ensuring your well-being is always in safe hands. Based on a true story. Let's begin with the basics. What is paracetamol? Paracetamol, also known as acetaminophen, is a popular over-the-counter medication used to relieve pain and reduce fever. It works by blocking certain chemicals in the brain that signal pain and raise body temperature. Importance of following medical guidelines. The whiteboard animation shows a doctor holding a prescription. Now, here's a crucial point to remember. Always follow medical guidelines and read the label carefully before using paracetamol. Proper usage ensures its effectiveness and minimizes any potential risks. Recommended dosage. The whiteboard animation displays paracetamol tablets with dosages labeled. The right dosage varies depending on your age, weight, and medical condition. As a general rule, adults can typically take 500 mg to 1000 mg every 4 to 6 hours, not exceeding 4000 mg in a 24-hour period. For children, the dosage is based on their weight and age, as per the doctor's recommendation. The importance of spacing doses. The whiteboard animation depicts a clock with intervals between doses. Spacing doses properly is vital. Remember to follow the recommended intervals between doses to maintain an effective level of medication in your system while avoiding potential side effects. Avoid alcohol and other medications. The whiteboard animation shows a crossed-out glass of alcohol and other medication bottles. Paracetamol and alcohol don't mix well. Drinking alcohol while taking paracetamol can strain your liver and may lead to severe health issues. Additionally, inform your doctor about any other medications you're taking to avoid harmful interactions. Understanding overdose risks. The whiteboard animation shows a person holding many paracetamol tablets. An overdose of paracetamol can be dangerous. Taking more than the recommended dosage, even accidentally, can harm your liver. If you suspect an overdose or experience unusual symptoms, seek immediate medical attention. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the safe usage and dosage of paracetamol. Remember, proper use of this medication can be incredibly beneficial, but always consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful health tips. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.